My name is TJ Chapman, obviously the owner of TJ Chapman Auto. Today we want to talk to you about branded titles. What is a branded title? Branded titles are cars that have had some sort of history in them. All our cars will be considered rebuilt restored title, and we'll go back on that, why we always use the term rebuilt restored title. We put branded title in our description because branded title encompasses whatever a brand is. It's just like a cow. You brand it, it's branded, okay? So they are branded titles. Use the term rebuilt restored because you can only finance and insure rebuilt titles. You cannot finance and insure salvage titles unless the other state, like California, they're all salvage titles and they just change the color of the title. Here in Utah, we define it by saying rebuilt restored, and the banks will loan on a rebuilt restored. They will, most of your insurance companies will insure on a rebuilt restored, so make sure you use that term. Now, a branded title can be a flood, it can be an accident, it can be theft, it can be vandalism, it can be a lemon buyback. Probably 85% of ours are all accidents, so there's gonna be different stories. So get with your sales rep and find out exactly what happened to your car.
Remember, we do have warranties for sale if you are concerned about any damages.
We are totally transparent on our history and what's happened to it. We want to make sure you're informed and make your best decision of what car.
Get the most vehicle for your money.